create a composition and take a new solid color layer. Now with the paint tool, I am drawing a straight line. Increase the stroke size to 180. Change the line gap to round from the stroke properties. Now click on Add and select Trim Path. Here I will animate a start and end property. At the initial point, I am putting the value 50 for start and end property. At the end point, I am changing the start value to 100 and end value 0. As a result, this type of animation has created. I want this animation a little faster, so I am decreasing it a little bit. Select keyframe and press F9 to easy ease. Go to speed graph and make the graph something like this. Then align it to the middle of the composition. Now creating a scaled down animation of the shape. Select the keyframes and easy ease by pressing F9. You can play with the speed graph little bit. Again draw a straight line. Decrease the stroke size and change the stroke color. You can choose your own. Adjust the position accordingly. I am pressing a shortcut Alt and opening the square bracket to cut this layer. And now animating the scale and opacity of this shape. You have to preview multiple times while you making an animation and change accordingly. It's the part of the work. So you have to keep patience during this time. Now importing a search icon, drag and drop over the timeline. Cut here by pressing the short key Alt, opening the square bracket. It is very big, so scale it down. Move the anchor point to the lower side of the icon. Now animate the position, rotation and opacity. Watch carefully how I animate this icon. Select the keyframes and press F9. Turn on the motion blur icon. Here is the animation till now. Little bit stretch the keyframes. Then add text. And change the color to dark gray. Adjust the position and scale. I am animating the text with the character offset and opacity properties. That's it.
Subscribe our channel for more videos.